Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Look, this is my new loom. I bought this from AliExpress today. Look, I have made some changes in it. Let's start the process. First, I am wrapping the thread on the loom for starting the beading. For saving the time, I am speeding the video here for completing the process fast. Oh, one thing I forgot to tell you. This is fish line thread which I am wrapping on the loom. My video is for the purpose to help beginners who want to start bead looming. That's why I'm showing all this process in detail. Okay, how to start wrapping the thread with loom properly and how to fix the thread with hooks properly and strongly. So the beginners, please watch carefully. So beginners must know it is very important to fix the thread properly, and after this I am using this macrame rope. This is very thin rope, 2 mm rope, and I am using this on the both side of the thread for making them more strong and making the bracelet in a proper shape. So I am fixing the knot carefully and strongly. Now our loom is ready, so start the process of beading. For the first step, I am taking the needle and thread. This is a good quality thread, nylon thread, and I am making a knot on the right side of the macrame rope. For making the first row, I am taking 9 golden beads on my needle. Setting the beads in the first row is always a struggle. It's more difficult than other rows. When you done the first row successfully and properly, after that it's getting easier to do other rows. So now you can see how I'm struggling with it, but I hope I will succeed to fix them in the first row properly. I hope.